How to use HVAC on the 14-3 executive shuttle. It's right here in the center console for the front HVAC controls. Power, it's going to give you the defrost, 3 selections on where you want the fan to go, recirculation, AC. Here's going to be your temperature gauge and your fan speed on the left. For the passengers in the rear, it's right above you. Same thing. Fan speed, temperature gauge. Very self-explanatory.